Next, in performance time F, second question, fill in the missing digits. See here, first 10 divides 68. First we have to check in 10 table when we will get 68. 10 6 are 10 6 are here 6, 10 6 are 60. So our coefficient is 6. Then what is our remainder? 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 6 is 0, no need to take that 0. Okay. So in this way we have to find our missing numbers. Now in 6 table, when you will get 23? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 18 is here, here 18 is given, it means 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. Then minus, here we have to take borrow from 2, so you will get 13 here. 13 minus 8 is 54, 5 and 4 54. Now here 9 is given, 6 9s are 54, 6 9s are 54. Next, same number minus same number, remainder is 0. Next, here we have to divide 6936 with 3. Here already 2 is given, it means we have to take 2, 3 2s are 6, we have to write here, and after that 6 minus 6 we have to do, that is 0. Next place we have to take, that is hundreds place. Then 3 table, when you will get 9, 3 3s are 3 3s are 9 and minus. Then after that 9 minus 9 is 0, next place tens place we have to take, and here 1 is given, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 minus 3 0, no need to take. Then next ones place. When you will get ones, when you will get 6 in 3 table, 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So in this way, so we have to fill the numbers in the boxes. Okay. So one more question is there, that is similar question, that is your home assignment. Okay. Next question, divide and write the coefficient and remainder. Write the coefficient and remainder. See here, first 969 divided by 9. This is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. First we divide hundreds. In 9 table, when you will get 9, 9 1s are 9, 1s are 9. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. Then after that tens place we have to divide. What is there in tens place? 6 tens. In 9 table, when you will get 6, 9 1s are 9, that is greater than this 6. So 9 zeros are 0, we have to take. 9 zeros are 0. Then 6 minus 0, 6. Then after that 9. Then 69. In 9 table, when you will get 69, so 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, that is more than this. So 9 7s are 7 here, coefficient here 63, then minus 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 6 0, no need to write. So what he is asking, coefficient and remainder he is asking. What is the coefficient? This is our coefficient, 107 is your coefficient, and what is remainder? Whatever number is left after division, that is your remainder, that is 6. Then next, 4027 we have to divide with 2. 2 divides 4027. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First we have to divide thousands place, thousands, divide thousands. So 4, when you will get in 2 table, 2 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Then after that next place 0 we have to take. In 2 table, when you will get 0, 2 zeros are 2, zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next tens place. In 2 table, when you will get 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Then ones place. Then in 2 table, when you will get 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 8 is greater than this. So, we have to take 2 threes are 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then 1 is left here. So, this is the remainder. This is our quotient. Write your quotient. Quotient is 2013 and remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. 1 is your remainder. Next one, 9607 we have to divide with 3. 3 divides 9607. First place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000. First you divide thousands. In 3 table, when you will get 9, 3 threes are 3, 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Then you take hundreds, 6 hundreds. Then in 3 table, when you will get 6, 3 twos are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Next tens, 0 tens. In 3 table, when you will get 0 tens, 0. 3 zeros are 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Next 7. In 3 table, when you will get 1, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 9 is greater than this. It means 3 twos are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So, this is your quotient and this is your remainder. So, quotient is 3202 and remainder is 1. So, you have to find your remainder and quotient. Okay. Next, in performance time G, so division by regrouping. So, then see how to divide and find the quotient. So, in these questions we have to divide and find the quotients. So, in the previous questions without regrouping were there. So, and we did 3 questions. One question is there, that similar questions you have to do as your home assignment in previous question. Okay. Here in performance G, see here, so division by regrouping. So, before we did without, means remainder 0 sums, then after that remainder sums, then division with a 3 digit number, division with 4 digit number we did. So, 4 digit number with a single digit, 3 digit number with a single digit number. So, all that we did, and without remainder means 0 remainder sums, and with remainder sums we did. And here again divide and find the quotient. We have to divide the given questions given, and after that we have to write the quotient. What is the quotient here? Okay. Now 776 we have to divide with 8. How to divide? See here. So, this is our ones place, this is our tens place, this is hundreds place. So, check your hundreds place. We are going to divide from left to right, that is hundreds place to ones place. Here hundreds place is 7. So, 7 is less than this divisor. If this hundreds place means extreme left digit, that is here 100. 100 is less than the divisor, 7 is less than hundreds place, that is 7. 7 is less than the divisor, then we have to take this 7 also. 77, total 77 we have to take. Okay. 77 tens. Then when you will get in 8 table 77, 7 5s are 8. In 8 table we have to check. In 8 table when you will get 77, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72, 7 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place we have to write, then minus. Okay. 7 minus 2 is 5, Here 7 minus 7 is 0. No need to write that 0. Then after that we have to copy this 6 place, 1's place. 1's place 6 is there, that 6 we have to copy. Then now we have to check in 8 table when you will get 56 ones, 56 ones, 5 tens and 6 ones, 50 plus 6, 56 ones. Then 8 5s are 45, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 7s are 56. Same number minus same number, 0. Then this is your quotient. So we have to write quotient. What is your quotient? Your quotient is 97. Remainder is 0. Okay. Next, 6138 we have to divide with 6. 6138 we have to divide with 6. No need to take here this. Then first 1's place, 10's place, 100's place and 1000's place. In 6 place, when you will get this 6000's, 6 1's are 6, 6 1's are 6. Then 6 minus 6 is 0, no need to take. After that 100's place we have to take 1. When you will get 1 in 6 table, 6 1's are 6, that is more than this. So we have to take 6 zeros are 6 zeros are 0. Then 1 minus 0 1. Then after that 10's place. Then 16 tens, 16 tens, 100s and 6 tens, that is 16 tens. In 6 table when you will get 16, read your 6 table, 6 1's are 6, 6 2's are 12, 6 3's are 18, 18 is more than, then 6 2's are 12, then minus, 6 minus 2 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0, no need to take. Then after 8, 1's place we have to copy. Then in 6 table when you will get 48, so read your 6 table, 6 5's are 30, 6 6's are 36, 6 7's are 42, 6 8's are 48, 8 here in quotient place, 6 8's are 48. Same number minus same number, 0. Then what is your quotient? Your quotient is 1028. This is your quotient. Next, 5706 we have to divide with 9. 9 divides 5706. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place and 1000's place. 1000's place first, so we have to divide 1000's place. 1000's place is smaller than this divisor, so we have to take 57, 57 hundreds, 57 hundreds. So then when you will get 57 in 9 table, 9 5's are 45, 9 6's are 54, 54 is near to 57, 9 6's are 54. Now minus 7 minus 4 3, 5 minus 5 is 0. Then after minus, the next place we have to take 10's place, 3 hundreds and 0 tens, that is 30 tens. Then in 9 table when you will get 30, 9 1's are 9, 9 2's are 18, 9 3's are 27, 9 4's are 36, 36 is more than this, means 9 3's are 27, then minus, take borrow from here, here 2, here 10, 10 minus 7 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, then next we have to copy. Then in 9 table when you will get 36, 9 4's are 36. Then what is your quotient? This answer is your quotient, 634. This is the dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder is 0. dividend, divisor, quotient, the remainder is 0. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and the remainder is 0. Okay. So, in the previous question what we did, so the 3 questions we did, one more question was there. So, that question you do as your home assignment. Here also in these 3 questions were there, one more question is there that you have to do as your home assignment. See here, first question, divide and find the quotient and remainder. Here we have to divide and also find the quotient as well as remainder also. So, in the previous questions we did a division, so but there the remainder is 0. So, what remainder we got there? The remainder is 0 there. Here whatever the remainder we are going to get, so that remainder we have to write, as well as our quotient also we have to write. Quotient also we have to write. First 638, we have to divide this 638 with 6. This is ones, tens and 100. First hundreds we have to divide hundreds. 6, when you will get 6, 6 ones are 6. Then 6 minus 6 is 0, no need to take that 0. Then after that this tens place we have to write. In 6 table when you will get 3, 6 zeros are 6, zeros are 0, but why 6 ones are 6, that is more than this. So, that is why we have to take 6 zeros are 0. Then minus 3 minus 0 is 3. Then after that the next number we have to take 38. In 6 table when you will get 38, read your 6 table, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 42 is greater than this. It means 6 6s are 36, 6 we have to write in 8's place, below 8 and 3 in 3, below, exactly below to the 3. Then 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, do not take that 0. The ones place is also over, then our question is over, our solution is over. This is our remainder, whatever left after our division, so that is remainder. So, this answer is our quotient. So, what is the quotient? Quotient is 106 and remainder is 2. 2 is the remainder and the quotient is 2 is the remainder and quotient is 106. Then next 6396 we have to divide with 7. 7 divides 6396. Then first we have to take this thousands place. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. This 6 is in thousands place. This thousands place is less than this divisor. So, we have to take 63 tens at a time, 6 tens and 3 hundreds, that is 63 hundreds. Then in 7 table when you will get 63, 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 9s are 9 here quotient, 7 9s are 63 we have to write here. Same number minus same number is 0. Then we go for next tens place, copy your tens place. Now you divide 7 with this 9. Then when you will get 9, 7 ones are 7. Then minus 9 minus 7 is 2. Next you copy the next one 6. When you will get 26 in 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. 28 is bigger than this. 7 threes are we have to take. 7 threes are 21 minus 6 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0, no need to take. Then, so this is our quotient and this is our remainder. Quotient. Our quotient is 930 and remainder. Our remainder is 4. 4 is the remainder. Next, 8183 divided by 9. So, 9 divides 8183. Now, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now, first we divide thousands place with the divisor. Thousand place is less than the divisor. So, we have to take 1 hundreds and 8000, that is 81 hundreds at a time. Now, in 9 table when you will get 81, read your 9 table. So, in 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 1 9 in quotient place, 9 9s are 81. Then same number minus same number is 0. Then you go for next 8. Here this 8 is less than this 9. So, you have to take 9 zeros are 0. Then minus 8 minus 0, 8. Again you copy ones place, 8 tens and 3 ones, that is 83 ones. Then in 9 table when you will get 83, again 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81 minus 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 8 0, do not write that 0. So, here this is your quotient and this is your remainder. So, write your quotient. Your quotient is 909 and remainder is 2 is your remainder. Okay. So, in this bit one more question is there. So, that bit is a similar question, that is a similar question. So, in that you divide with the divisor and write your quotient and remainder, that is your home assignment. Okay. Here divided by 10, 100 and 1000. So, next in performance time H. So, we have to divide the given numbers with 10, 100 and 1000. When we divided by 10, then what happened? When we divided by 100, then what happened? Then when divided by 1000, then what are the coefficients and what are the remainders? So, remember one thing, when you divided by 10, one's place is your remainder and rest of the places are your coefficients in the given number. When you are going to divide with 100, ones and tens, these two places in the given number, so they are as remainders and rest of the places your coefficients. When you are going to divide with 1000, in the given number ones, tens, 100, these three places are your remainders and rest of the places in the given number, they are your coefficients. Okay. So, then how to do this? See here, 640 divided by 10, or so like this, divided by 10. So, first this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. This 6 is less, we have to take these two numbers 64. Then in 10 table when you will get 64, 10 6 are 60, then minus 4 minus 0 4, 6 minus 6 is 0, do not take. Then after that copy this one. Then in 10 table when you will get 40, 10 4s are 40, the remainder is 0. So, when we divide with 10, the last place, the last digit means one's place is remainder, the rest of the places here quotient. Check here, your quotient is 64 and your remainder is 0. Therefore, quotient is 64, remainder is 0. Okay. Here in the next question, so without doing also we can say, so what is the quotient and what is the remainder when we divide with 10. So, the last this place, one's place is our remainder and these two places are our coefficients. 41, these two places are coefficients and the last place is our remainder. Once you check, divide with 10, 415 divide with 10. First this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now you check 41. So, this 41 when you will get in 10 table, 10 4s are 40, then minus 1 minus 0 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, don't take that one. Then copy this ones place. 15. When you will get 15 in 4? 10 ones are 10. Then minus. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, your quotient. What is your quotient? Your quotient is 41. Your remainder? Your remainder is 5. Once you check, 41 is a quotient and 5 is a remainder. The same thing we got. Okay. Next, here without actual doing also we can say what is the quotient and what is the remainder here when we divide it with 10. So, this last ones place is our remainder, ones place is our remainder and rest of the places are quotients. Once you check, it means 56 is our quotient and 5 is our remainder. Once you check by dividing, 565 divided by 10. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First 56 when we will get in 10 table, 10 5s are 50, then minus 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 5 is 0, don't take that one, then 5. 65 means 10 6s we have to take, 10 6s 60, 5 minus 0 5, 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 56 is our quotient and 5 is our remainder. Okay. Therefore, quotient, what is your quotient? 56 and remainder, what is your remainder? 5. It means when we divide with 10, one's place is the remainder and rest of the places here quotients. Remember this one. Okay. Without doing also we can say. So, when divided by 10, then what is the quotient and what is the remainder if we ask, then one's place, say whatever is there in one's place, that is the remainder and rest of the places quotients. Okay.